Throughout this whole process, I've learned that working on these Audis is literally just like working on a Lego set. Once you take things off in the right order, you're pretty much set because it's not really hard. Things just have to come off before other things come off. Alright, so far, got the front clip off. Car looking somewhat decent. Next step, I'm gonna take the coolant reservoir and probably fenders. Not sure. A whole vibe. Alright, Brandon, so what's on the agenda for today? God damn, I almost fell.
Oh, I gotta fix this. I got hood, all these blue here.
Oops,
trunk.
can't focus on shit. Hold up, not focusing. Ain't focusing.
Figure yourself out.
There we go.
There, so gotta fix all of this. I got trunk, sides here, hood. I got a new bumper. I don't have to deal with that. That one just comes unpainted, so I'm just gonna leave it. I got a rear bumper here, and then that's it. I have all of today to sand all of this, so day is gonna be very slow.
Plan for today is exhaust needs to get disconnected. ECU harness needs to come out. The transmission needs to get disconnected. Engine mounts need to get disconnected. This one wire from the starter needs to get disconnected.
Should I take my tits out?
What? What did he say? Boom! Another successful day at the office. Managed to get the engine off the hoist and onto a stand and take shit apart. Oh yeah, everything's looking pretty good, you know. Got the tiny engine over there, little baby over there, and going to be a So, part 2 of today, we got the engine pretty much buttoned up as far as taking all the accessories off. I have all my bolts where they're supposed to be so that I don't lose them. Tomorrow the plan is to get the head separated from the block and then take the head home. I don't think there's anything else that needs to come off of it. No, everything is off. Then I can send the block off to get stroke, board, Not strong. Get it more, put it on the crank.
Pause.
Get it strong.
Get the head stroked, huh? That's what you do.
But I mean, the head will get stroked too.
Hey.
But yeah, the plan for the next week and a half, next 2 weeks, is to get this clean, make it look really pretty, make it look really nice, degrease it, clean up the transmission. Might check the shifter bushings to make sure the shifter bushings are still intact. I have some new motor mounts I need to get a transmission mount. So, a couple things I still need to get, but when the stud conversion comes in, we're putting the wheels on it, putting it down, seeing how the fitment is, because those are 5x114, 10.5 wide.
Big as
what
fuck.
was on it was a 5x112, 8.5 wide. So adding 2 extra inches per tire per corner, so that should give me a whole lot more grip. Yeah, it's been a lot of work, but it's coming together pretty good. Coming together pretty good so far. I am very pleased with the progress. My biggest issue is I know for a fact when it's time to put it back together, I'm gonna lose bolts. So my plan is, when it's time to put the engine back together, while we're putting this together, we're disassembling the blue 180.
Just
So
to get
that-
extra
yeah,
bolts.
So just so that we can see where the bolts come from, where they go, can reuse them if we need to, because again, they're just bolts. And if we need to get new ones, we know the third pitch, we know how long they need to be, stuff like that. And that car needs to get jumped anyway, so the transmission, engine,
We gotta take everything we can off it.
come out the car. So.